Here's what the drafting and design students at the Career and Technology Center are saying about their program.
What I enjoy about drafting is that I learn something that I'll actually use in my future after high school.
So, things that I enjoy about drafting and design class would have to be how very real-world integrated this class
My
is.
favorite project we've done so far will have to be the full garage plan with the apartment above it, because at first it seemed like such a challenge. Because the programmer used AutoCAD, you make all the lines, it's just you drawing, really. And to make a full house plan that you could construct off of seemed really difficult. But seeing it all come together and being able to do a full wall section at the end really was interesting.
I think that students should choose the drafting program because for many reasons. You have multiple job opportunities, whether you continue your education or you go straight into a job after graduating. And also you get to help other classes like welding and carpentry, and they help you with like some of your projects. So it's kind of like a teamwork program, which some people like.
So why the drafting program? I think there's many different reasons for this. You could split off into so many jobs with this class. Drafting, like architectural stuff, you can go into construction even if you really wanted to. Designing things is important for a lot of things, and you can get that basic knowledge in this class. Also, you could even go into an engineering field. Like, there's a wide variety of things that you can do from this class. So what is my favorite project? So far, it has to be the garage project for sure. It's probably the most complex that we've done. We were tasked with interviewing someone and then basically designing the garage that they wanted.
I believe new students should come to the drafting program because it gives you a chance to be an out-of-the-box thinker and to have your own ideas about just about everything that we do. Getting a chance to express yourself and express your ideas.
Because you get so many different experiences, like you get to 3D print, figure out how to design buildings. You get to play around with cool stuff like this, basically print design.
Students from Crownsville should consider signing up for the drafting and design program at CCCTC because you learn how to do real world stuff. If you get a drafting job, you can start off getting more pay, and you didn't have to pay for the schooling at all.
Currently the basic check project in Autodesk Revit. As you can see here, I'm just panning over this in 3D, but it's very easy for me to do, and it's a great way to start, especially if you're new to drafting and design.
The things I enjoy learning about drafting and like being in this program is all the software and how to use it in Revit. You can do your floor plans and like create a house on it. And I love this experience. My favorite project would have to be the restaurant project, solely based on the fact that we can make it as unique as we want. We can make it whatever kind of restaurant we want, like pizza, diner, I don't know, like a sub shop and things like that. So I find it a very fun project, also challenging, and I like to put my mind to a challenge.
One of my favorite projects that I've done in drafting and design class would have to be the Shed 2.0 project. Basically, what the Shed 2.0 project was a more updated and advanced project to where it taught us all of the foundations and elements of how to build and construct and plan out a proper shed.
My favorite project is the garage because we are working on right now because we had to set up an interview for it, and this interview gave me a lot of experience doing this and getting to work on it and getting to learn a whole bunch of new things.
I think you should consider the drafting program because it's obviously the best program at the CTC. You don't have to change clothes, you come in, sit down, and create whatever you want for about 2 hours. It's a really good environment, and it's really easy to design whatever you want and make those designs come to fruition.
Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in the drafting and design program next year.